Alright, I can't go outside or I'll scare them all away. But everywhere I look, they knocked this feeder over. They're down on the ground eating out of it. Sorry about the windows.
I didn't think we were friendly. Hello, babies. You tricked us, Angelica. Yeah,
My bird feeders are little ceramic flower pots. There's one over here, but you can't see it.
It's true.
And they knocked that one over, but they were just down there eating it. This little guy flew away. Let's check the other ones. Nobody's at the picnic table. Okay, my doorbell is attached to that cooler. Look at this. I love
Ice
it.
cream was pretty cold, though, huh?
I love Mother Nature. Hey. There's another feeder right there.
Oh my God.
I love it. I just love it. Now my dogs are not fighting, they're playing.
Oh dear, they've got the chills and ew. Their noses have been running.
And there was birds on these, and them are the birds that are now down here.
What's wrong with them?
Fine. Let's pen these pups back in the living room.
Still watching. Oh, this is too good to be true.
I love Mother Nature. I love wildlife.
Achoo, 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 achoo.
Well, this one seems to be working. 101. I'm afraid you can't go to the show, Princess. You're sick.
No.
I know you're disappointed, sweetie. I tell you what, we'll stay here until everyone comes home, and then we can hear all about it, okay?
Oh.
Christmas, Gummy Bear Hanukkah, Gummy Bear Arbor Day.
I don't want to see the stupid old
And yeah, there's mealworms and stuff in there that you're seeing them eat.
I'll come check on you in a little while.
Every bowl has something else in it. Well, every planter. Oh, where'd you go, butthead?
As soon as we got to the arena, the kids all started sneezing and coughing. It was the strangest thing.
Yeah, apparently they came down with what Angelica has.
We better consult lip shits. Hey, what are you dumb babies doing? You don't want to get sick, do ya?
Anyway, before we left, I went over to the gift stand to buy a few souvenirs, and look what they had. The entire show on videotape.
Not to mention Laserdisc, DVD, HDTV, CD-ROM, Beta, 8-track.
Did you hear that, Princess? You're going to see the Cirque du Dummy Bear after all.
I am?
Gather around,
Nobody
everybody.
there.
Get
Oh,
started.
he just flew away. Nobody there. Gotta refill that one. There's two on that one.